Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Agawa Boreal 21 bow saw. Despite the fact that Agawa and most of its bow saw models are quite expensive, they can be an excellent choice if you want a feature-rich saw for use in your garden or backyard. Agawa's Boreal 21 bow saw is ranked second on this list because it is one of the best options for portable use. Despite having a decently large 21-inch saw size, its foldable design allows you to take it with you. While it is also quite lightweight, the frame is made of aluminum, which is not as durable as steel. At 21 inches, the blade's length is optimally sized for powerful sawing strokes, and yet short enough for packability. And the 3-hinged trapezium-shaped frame allows large diameter cuts. The blade safely folds into the frame when not in use, protecting you and your gear. The Boreal 21 is a pleasure to use. It's light, very well balanced, has sufficient blade length to make ample power strokes, and the aggressively angled teeth on the blade cut quickly and smoothly. Enjoy your time outdoors. For details, let's watch more. Our second best bow saw is GreatNeck Heavy Duty Bow Saw. The 12-inch blade does limit cutting capacity, and the blade quality could be improved. Nonetheless, it provides excellent value for money as a tool for everyday yard work or as an addition to an RV owner's toolkit. GreatNeck is known for producing basic, low-cost bow saws. This 12-inch model adds versatility by including a hacksaw blade in addition to the standard bow saw blade, allowing it to cut metal as well as wood. Despite its low price, the frame is powder-coated to prevent rust, and there's a simple but functional knuckle guard, which is often lacking on low-cost bow saws. This will also save space in your work area. Thanks to the small frame of this compact bow saw, it can be stored anywhere in your garage. Our hacksaw tool is ideal because of its efficiency and ability to save you money. If you are searching for a comfortable and small hacksaw that will get the job done, this is the perfect portable bow saw and metal hacksaw for you. Third pick in our list is Sten Saw 15-inch folding saw. A bow saw's frame design makes it impractical to carry on wilderness excursions, but it is safer and easier to use than an axe. You can purchase a folding bow saw, such as the Sten Saw from Sweden. The Sten Saw, with its extremely sharp 15-inch tempered steel blade, can handle almost any campground activity. It has an aluminum frame that will not rust and, in addition to its small size, weighs about 1 pound. There is also a 21-inch model available. There is no bag included, and finding one is necessary to keep the components together. The Sten Saw is the original folding saw and is ideal for camping, canoeing, hiking, backpacking, hunting, yard work and many other outdoor activities. The hardened, anodized aluminum handle and back bar work in any weather or temperature, and won't corrode or rust. When not in use, the blade folds into the handle, which serves as a protective sheath, so it slides easily in and out of your pack. Number 4 in our side is BOSCH 24-inch bow saw. BOSCH is a well-known brand of bow saws because it has been producing a wide range of saws for a long time, all of which have proven to be excellent choices for heavy-duty use. The BOSCH October 24, 2023 bow saw is ranked first on this list because, despite being designed for heavy-duty use, it is quite ergonomic. Because of its 24-inch saw size, it can easily cut through most tree branches. Aside from an ergonomic and comfortable handle, this bow saw comes with a tubular steel frame for proper rigidity. This bow saw has a unique tensioning system for straight cuts, which is a great feature. Designed for demanding applications and tough environments of construction sites. Innovative tensioning mechanism for high blade tension and straight cutting. Ergo handle with knuckle protector provides comfort and safety. Number 5 in our top 5 best bow saw list is Trooper 30257 steel handle bow saw. The Trooper is a versatile bow saw. The steel frame is thick and strong due to its thickness. It has an open design with plenty of space between the blade and the back of the frame, allowing it to saw larger pieces of lumber or logs. The cam lever is used to tension the blades, which is quick and simple. The Trooper bow saw weighs between 1 to 1.5 pounds. While the supplied blade is designed to cut greenwood, dry cutting versions are relatively inexpensive, and the addition would provide the buyer with an excellent all-arounder. Trooper has been in the hand tool manufacturing business for over 40 years and is by far the largest Mexican company in its field. Trooper relies on the most advanced modern and efficient technology to guarantee the optimum quality. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.